Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is 8.5 exercise, 8.5 exercise, question number 2, lecture number 2 and HW number 1. HW number 1. Listen student, in the first class I have discussed with you about proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now I will show you how can you arrange the number from smaller to greater. Okay? Look, let's at first read the question number 2. Arrange the following from smaller to larger and show it by symbols. Look, one norm, 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 7 by 7, 2 by 7. We have to arrange the number from smaller to larger. And then you have to show it by symbols. Okay? Look, you see the fraction 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 7 by 7, 2 by 7. You see all the denominator are same. All the denominator are same. Student, I repeat, you know 6 by 7, 6 is called numerator and 7 is called denominator. Okay? Upper one is numerator, lower one is denominator. Okay? Look, now see, every denominator are 7. Every denominator are 7. That means all the denominator are same. Okay? In that case, the numerator is, in that case, which has the smaller numerator, which has the smaller numerator is the smaller fraction. Okay, student? Look, I repeat, if the denominator are the same, the fraction which has the smaller numerator, that means among 6, 3, 7, 2. Which one is the smaller? Obviously 2. So among the fraction 2 by 7 is the lowest smaller. Then you see 3 by 7, then 6 by 7, then 7 by 7. Okay student? So I have written here, if the denominators are the same, the fraction which has the smaller numerator, which has the smaller numerator is a smaller fraction. Now arranging from smaller to larger, we get what? You see 2 by 7 is the smallest, so I have written first 2 by 7, then 3 by 7, 3 by 7, then 6 by 7, 6 by 7, then 7 by 7. Okay? This is the first step of the questions. Look, arrange the following from smaller to larger. Okay, so I have arranged here smaller to larger. Then according to the questions, we have to show it by symbols. Okay student, look, by showing with symbols we get, look, by showing with symbols we get, you see 2 by 7 is the smaller, then 3 by 7 is the greater than 2 by 7. So I have written 2 by 7 is smaller than 3 by 7. Then what? 6 by 7. 6 by 7. Then last of all 7 by 7. Okay student, look, see 2 by 7, 2 by 7, then 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 6 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7, 7 by 7. Okay, you see. So according to the questions, this is our required solution. Now, according to the questions, I will solve question number 3. Look, what is the questions? Question is, arrange the following from smaller to larger and show it by symbols. Show it by symbols. You see, this is the questions, or this is the fraction. This is the fraction. Now we have to arrange the fraction from smaller to larger. You see student, Look, 11 by 23, I told 11 is numerator and 23 is denominator. 11 is numerator, 13 is denominator. Okay, similarly 11 by 17, 11 by 91. Student, you look, all the numerator are same, all the numerator are same. Okay, 11, 11, 11, 11. But the denominator are different. Look, 23, 13, 17, 91. All are different. Okay, student? In this case, you see, in this case, if the numerator are the same, but denominator is the larger, that is the smaller one. Okay? I repeat, if in a fraction, if the numerator are the same, but denominator are different, in that case, whose denominator is larger, that is the smaller one. Okay? Look, among the denominator, which one is the larger? 91. So 11 by 91 is the smallest. Then 11 by 23. Then which one? 11 by 17. Then 11 by 13. Okay, student? Now, according to the questions of the second step, we have to arrange the number with symbols. Okay, student, look, I use here only the symbols. Look, already I have arranged, but I have written here only the smaller symbol. 11 by 91 is smaller than 11 by 23, then 11 by 17 and 11 by 13. Okay, student, this is our required solution. Student, now I will told the summary of the two questions. Look, please see the question number 1. For question number 1, if the denominator are the same, in that case, if the denominator are the same, in that case, whose numerator is smaller, is the smaller number. Okay, I repeat, if the denominator are the same, in that case, whose numerator is smaller, is the smaller number. Okay, then second step, I have taught you, if the numerator are same, but denominator are all the different, in that case I told you, whose denominator is greater, is the smaller number, okay. Suppose 11 by 91 is the smaller among all the numerator, so I have written 11 by 19. Okay, then what? 23, 17, 13, 13. And I have written here using with smaller symbol. Okay, smaller than smaller than smaller. Okay. Now see, look, question now. Look, 8.5 exercise 1, page 94. Student, remember 8.5 exercise 1, page 94. Question number 2. In question number 2, there are 3 sub questions. I have solved here question number 1, 3, okay, 1 and 3. But I didn't solve here question number 2. That means sub number 2. You see, 4 by 7, 4 by 5, 4 by 11, 4 by 9. Okay, you have to arrange the following from smaller to larger and show it by symbols. Okay, student? Student, actually this is your HW. Okay, student, this is your actually HW. 4 by 7, 4 by 5, 4 by 11, 4 by 9. Okay, you see, student, this question and question number 3. You see, question number 3 and these questions same. Only the digits are different. You see, here 4, 4, 4. That means all the numerator are same, but denominator is what? Different. In that case, which one is the smaller? You see, which one? 4 by 11 is the smaller, because you see 11 here, the greater one. and this is the smallest one. Okay, student. Then which one? 4 by 11, then 4 by 9, then 4 by 7, then 4 by 5. Okay, student. Dear student, this is your SW. Okay, you solve it. Dear student, you submit this SW copy on Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yes, student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.